All right, guys, we are here today, and we are going to play a very special game of skate. But wait, before we do that, I just wanted to show you the brand new Nerf Ultra One blaster. So you guys might have seen on our Instagrams and our other social media, we just went to New York City and we were very excited to compete in the very first ever, and probably the only ever, because I don't know if it'll ever occur again, Nerf Ultra One Championship. I can't tell you who won because it's a secret. So you're gonna have to stay tuned on the Nerf channel because it will be announced over there later on. At some point in time, they will announce it and you will know who won. But it was super cool, it was really fun. We were really happy to be able to go. The winner of the championship got a golden blaster and $10,000 cash. Literally. Like I was telling Gabe, I was like, this is the first $10,000 challenge that somebody actually gets the $10,000. So let's open up this bad boy and see what we got. First things first, we got a ton of darts. These are not your normal Nerf darts. These are brand new, never been made before. They fly up to 120 feet. From what I understand, and I'm not an expert, but I think this makes it fly more accurate. And probably a little bit further, or by a little bit, maybe a lot further, right? So let's open this bad boy up. It's super cool. Then you have these pieces. Best box opening ever. There you go. Boom, so you slide that bad boy in just like that. Get your magazine ready. That's where you check where your dart is. And then batteries, C batteries go right in there. So it was really cool to compete in the competition. They had 3 different areas and it was all about accuracy. So in the first area, there was all of these triangles. And when you're in there, it's pretty crazy because it's like these black nets and then there's this computer screen and it's like starting mode in 3, 2, 1. And then it goes. And then the triangles, which are all, they're about like from this size to like this size, and you have to blast them when they light up. So you're like spinning around in a circle and just like poof, poof. They make this epic sound when you hit it. It's like boom. But some people are literally like boom, 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 which was me. And then other people that are less good like Gabe were like pew, pew. I'm just kidding. Gabe absolutely crushed it. So it's super fun, super exciting, and today is going to be super fun and super exciting as well because we got the whole gear, the whole outfit, even the shoes. Let's go. All right, guys, so here's some of our footage from the championship. I hope you enjoy.
Aaron, you're up. You're up next, right?
It's what? Huh?
I'm here for the lip liner.
All right, no allergies.
He hates it so much. Don't cross me, Cairo.
I walked out, and there was like the one guy. His face was just like, what are they doing? Let's go.
And the founder of Braille Skateboarding. He can teach you how to skate, but can we teach him how to blast? Give it a Cairo!
There we go. There we go, man! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going! Yeah!
275. Woo! Go! Put this target back. Double points for each hit target. You hit 2. 2 more green targets are lit up. 1 remains. Sequence will be 850 points in zone 2. That's a good score. Sequence. Yeah! Station number.
Let's go, Aaron!
Up to 600 points here in zone 3. And you've got one station left. The gold round. 3, 2, 1. And he's off. Don't forget the targets behind you as well. He's focused. He got it. Oh, there's another hit. Just a couple seconds left in the gold round, and that is time for Aaron Cairo. 875 points added to his score. Will that be enough to get him in the top 3? Let's find out.
Let's go top 3. All right, guys, so now we're gonna play a game of skate while being blasted. Okay, let's Rochambeau. Dang it! For real. What's the hardest part about this? You ready? I'm ready. Blasters, you ready? Go.
Go, Dan! Very loud.
Go ahead, Nigel.
You didn't pop!
Pop?
Redo!
These shoes are really hard.
The shoes, huh?
Go ahead.
Got him. Yeah, wow.
It's good.
Bring it, blasters! I can take this all day. Hey, that was good.
Yeah!
Let's slowly wear them out. Subtle art. Dark deflection. Just gotta go through all the basics, and then we're gonna go advanced. Let me just skate 120 feet away. Judge! Rebate. Let's go! Wee-hee!
This is so satisfying.
That was cheater.
That's what you did.
Get up on me like that.
You can't do that, Dan. No, go this way. Go this way. No, go this way. No. Go this way, Dan. Go this way. Ah. Wow.
Oh, good.
That was really good.
Who hit my butt cheek? Somebody hit me right on the butt
Is it my turn? Oh no, it's his turn.
No, I went.
So it's me or Nigel?
I think Nigel.
Nigel's up. Let's go! You want to see something sick though? Look at that. That's right, boy.
Oh! Did you hear that?
Go, I'll catch it.
All right, let's go.
same thing that happened to Uzi last time we played. Uzi's so upset. Okay, I was feeling so confident. Although the shoes are very thin, I did the first kickflip and I was like, they're fine. I got this. And then frontside flip, no more flips. Can't flip anything. I guess we're just down to just 180s, 360s, 540s, and 720s.
Probably. What about the 9? You can't forget the 900.
And at least get one 900 in there. You know, you're like, okay, I got this trick. And then it's like, doosh, 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 doosh. And you're like, oh.
You happen to have
The world's best blasters, Gabe Cruz and Troy the Young.
out of here. Get this man a blaster to assist us.
How you feeling?
Feeling hot, sweaty, and nothing but confidence. Okay, you ready? No more flips, I gotta get creative. You ready? Yeah. With all the darts, we're really gonna just hit the dirt. Whoa!
What's next? What's next?
I don't know if I want to go for the frontside 360. The ground is so smooth, you think this will help you. And then you try a trick and it goes, it's not helping you. You know what I mean? But let's just give it a go. Let's give it another wang danga. Oh my gosh! Nothing can be landed. Jeez.
Oh, messed. Let her!
Oh, it's stuck! Oh. Give me everything you got!
Uno más. I got one more for you.
The Nerf Ultra One is an absolute game changer and is a must-have for any Nerf loadout. It is available now at most retailers nationwide and the link in that description below. Subscribe and stay tuned to the Nerf YouTube channel for new episodes. We will be in there. You will get to see our runs. You will get to see how we did in the first ever Ultra One Championship and see who is crowned the Ultra One Champion and receives $10,000 cash and a golden blaster. A huge thanks to Nerf for flying us out to New York City to compete in the Ultra One Championship. It's Nerf or nothing. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Let's go.